Tanka-me-a-lo. Tanka-me-a-lo. That's how the Cherokee call it. In essence, is buffalo stew. And I'm going to try to keep it real. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Tanka-me-a-lo. That's Cherokee. And that is in essence buffalo stew or bison. And what I have is about half a pound. You can order this, by the way. Go to a farm. You can order online too. From this farm if you want to. And I will put a link in the description. And because it's a half a pound, the amount is based on this. The amount of the other ingredients. I have red potato and white potato. And what I do here is, the important thing is you don't want rosette potato. You want to stick with white and red. Celery, a tomato. I have carrots. I didn't peel them because, I don't think they peeled them back in the day. And I got barley, a quarter cup. If this was a pound, meaning twice the size, then I would have doubled the amount of the other ingredients. And you're going to need some water. So you're going to take the bison and you're going to cut it into cubes. It's about an inch, like this big, about an inch. So I'm going to stew the tomato. I cut it in pieces and I'm going to stew it. The recipe doesn't call for oil or nothing, but I'm going to modify it and I'm going to use something that they used to have, which was rabbit. I have some rabbit grease. And the reason I'm using the rabbit grease, quite frankly, is because I don't want my cast iron to get the meat stuck to it. That's the only reason. But technically, the recipe doesn't call for it. I got this at high heat. I'm going to put this meat there. And I'm going to cook it for only like maybe 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And you're going to move things around for 2 or 3 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. What you do is you want it brown, you want it a little bit dark, noting that buffalo is very lean and nutritious, and you don't want it to cook too fast. You don't want it to go hard, you know what I mean? Because it becomes pain in the butt to eat. After 3 minutes, what you're going to do, you're going to turn it off and you're going to remove this baby. I heat a pot. You're going to put your carrots and the potatoes. Add the water. This might need a little bit more. And you have this at high heat and you're going to let it cook until they are soft. You don't add the other stuff yet. Let them cook until they are soft, okay? I reduce the heat because I don't want to medium. I don't want the water to evaporate completely. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the celery. I'm going to add the barley. I'm going to move things around a little bit. In addition to that, I'm going to add these 2 tomatoes. Look how beautiful it looks. I'm going to mix things around. And I'm going to let this part cook for about 6 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. So once again, my oven is preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And what I'm going to do, I transfer the buffalo to an oven-friendly container. And now I'm going to start transferring these 2. The potatoes, carrot, barley, celery, tomato, some of the liquid, because this baby's going to the oven. If you want to add more meat, you can do that. Put in the oven, and I'm going to leave it there for about half an hour. Yeah, we have it. 30 minutes later. Kaya vehane, kayo vehane, we kaya vehane, kayo vehane, kaya vehane.